This guide will help you troubleshoot and install GTA 5 multiplayer if you're experiencing issues. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your CPU, RAM, GPU, and available storage space. Step 2. Update game and platform. Ensure that both GTA 5 and the platform you are using, Steam, Epic Games, etc., are fully updated. Check for any available patches or updates that might resolve multiplayer issues. Step 3. Install multiplayer mod. Download the latest version of the multiplayer mod you wish to use, such as FiveM or GTA Online. Follow the installation instructions provided by the mod's official website to set it up correctly. Step 4. Configure firewall and antivirus. Adjust your firewall and antivirus settings to allow GTA 5 and the multiplayer mod to access the internet. This may involve adding exceptions for the game and mod in your security software. Step 5. Launch and test. Start GTA 5 and select the multiplayer option. Join a server to test if the installation was successful. If you encounter issues, check the mod support forums for further troubleshooting tips. By following these steps, you should be able to install and run GTA 5 multiplayer successfully. If problems persist, consider reaching out to community forums for additional support.